Hello dear student of Mali, my name is Mr. Yakubadao. Today I would like to share with you an important message. For many years I worked as a teacher of English. I love teaching and I still do. But one day I realized that something powerful, something great. Our brain are not made just for one thing. Think about it. The human brain capable of learning, adapting, and growing in so many ways. Yet, many of us grow up thinking we can only follow one path, study, get a job, and stay there forever. But life doesn't have to be that way. When I left teaching to start my journey in digital marketing, it was not easy. I had to learn new skills, take risks, and step out of my comfort zone. But guess what? I discovered that I could do more than I ever imagined, and you can too. Yours is what I would like you to remember. Have a vision and never stop learning. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you challenge it, the stronger it gets. Learn new skills, explore new fields, and be curious. Think behind the classroom. Formal education is important, but is not the only way to succeed in life. Look for more opportunities to solve problems, create solutions, and innovate. Innovate and make an impact. That's what entrepreneurship is all about. Believe in your potential. Do not let fear or doubt stop you. You have the power to achieve great things, no matter where and when you start. Our country, Mali, needs young minds like yours to think big, to dream big, and to act big. Do not limit yourself to one path. Explore, innovate, and dare to take risk. The future belongs to those who are ready to learn, to adapt, and to create. So, what will you do with the amazing brain you have been given by God? Thank you for listening, and remember, the world is full of opportunities. Do not be afraid to run after them. Feel free to reach out. If you need any tips or advice or support on entrepreneurship, I'm here to support you. Take care and let's build a brighter future together.